Hi to all. I am going to discuss simultaneous total differential equations. Equations of the form dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. So we are going to discuss simultaneous problems in the form of dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. So for these problems we have two methods. Method of grouping, this is the first one, and method of multipliers, this is the second one. So let me explain method of grouping. So let the given equation dx by p equal dy by q equal dz by r. This is the given equation 1, let 1. So from 1 we can write three equations. They are from 1 we can write, this is the first one, dx by p equal dy by q. Let this is equation 2. So from these two, dy by q equal dz by r. Let this is 3. The last choice is we have from these two, dx by p equal dz by r. This is 4 for example. So from 1 we get three equations, 2, 3, 4. In 2, 3, 4 at least one or two equations are integrable. Then we have to use method of grouping. So now let me explain by an example. So let the problem solve dx by yz equal dy by zx equal to dz by xy. This is the given equation, given problem. So let the given equation, let this is 1. From one equation, from 1 we can write three equations, we know that already. From 1 that implies dx by yz equal to dy by zx. This is 2. And dy by zx equal to dz by xy. This is 3. And last one is dx by yz equal dz by xy. This is 4. So observe here equation 2 and 3. So both are integrable. Why? Because from 2 we can write, let me take second equation, dx by yz equal dy by zx. So z cancel on both sides. We get dx by y equal dy by x. That implies after cross multiplication we get x dx equal y dy. Is this integrable or not? So this is clearly integrable in the form variable separable. So integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integration x dx equal integration y dy plus a c1. Take c1. Okay. So integration x means x dx means x square by 2 equal integration y dy y square by 2 plus c1. Take c1 by 2. So finally that implies x square, we can write x square by 2 minus y square by 2 minus c1 by 2. This equal 0. So this is the 5. Okay. So from 2 we get the solution, this one. So also let me solve equation 3 also. So from 3 this is also integrable. So take dy by zx equal dz by xy. This is the third equation. So x cancel both sides. That implies dy by z equal dz by y. After cross multiplication we get y dy equal z dz. So this is also integrable. So integrating on both sides, integration y dy equal integration z dz. Okay, so plus c2, take c2 in this time. So integration y dy means y square by 2 equal z square by 2 plus c2 by 2. So that implies we can write y square by 2 minus z square by 2 minus c2 by 2 equal 0. So that implies we can write y square minus z square minus c2 equal 0. So this is the 6. So already we have the fifth equation. What is the result? So fifth equation, I think x square minus y square minus c1 equal 0. This is fifth one. So 5 and 6 gives the general solution of equation 1. That is the general solution. Finally, we have to give the answer like this. So general solution is x square minus y square minus c1 equal 0 and y square minus z square minus c2 equal to 0. This is the general solution of equation 1. Okay, so this is the solution. You may get one doubt here. So here second one and third one and fourth one also integrable. So if we take fourth equation, y cancel, x dx, z dz, that is also one of the integrable equations. So we need only two equations. So we have to integrate, we have to solve any two equations, 2, 3, 4, any two. Okay, no problem. We have solved here only two equations, 2 and 3. You may take 2, 4 or 3, 4, something. Okay, so let me explain another problem. Okay, solve dx by y equal dy by x equal dz by x y z square into x square minus y square. This is the given equation. So let given equation equal to 1. From 1 we can write three equations. Already we have discussed. Dx by y equal dy by x. This is 2. Next, take these two. Dy by x equal dz by x y z square into x square minus y square. These two. So let this is 3. So last one, dx by y equal dz by x y z square into x square minus y square. This is 4. So we can observe here only one equation, that is second equation, is integrable. So 3 and 4 are not integrable directly. So let me solve second equation. From 2 we can write dx by y equal dy by x. This is the equation. So that implies taking the cross multiplication we get x dx equal y dy. So integrating on both sides, integration x dx equal integration y dy plus c1. Okay, integration x dx, x square by 2 equal y square by 2 plus c1 by 2. Take by 2 for this. Okay, we can write x square, that implies x square by 2 minus y square by 2 minus c1 by 2 equal 0. So for this, x square minus y square minus c1 equal to 0. So here observe in equation 3 and 4 we have x square minus y square. So take x square minus y square value. X square minus y square equal c1. Let this is 5. So observe the question and take the same value. X square minus y square equal c1. So next let me solve third equation. So from 3, dy by x equal dz by x y z square into x square minus y square equal c1. Take c1 constant. Okay, so cancel x both sides. We get after cross multiplication c1 y dy equal dz by z square. Right? c1 constant. So integrating on both sides. This is the integrable equation. Integrating on both sides. So c1 into integration y dy equal integration dz by z square plus c2. Right? So c1 into y square by 2 equal integration 1 by z square. We can write z power minus 2 dz plus c2. So c1 into y square by 2 equal integration z power minus 2 dz. So minus 1 by z plus c2. Right? So c1 y square by 2 plus 1 by z minus c2 equal 0. Take c2 by 2, no problem. So we can write, so by 2 we can write c1 y square plus 2 by z minus 2c1 equal 0. Replace 2c2 equal 0. Replace c1 value. c1 equal x square minus y square. So c1 equal x square minus y square. So x square minus y square into y square plus 2 by z minus 2c2 equal 0. This is the third equation solution. Let this is 6. So equation 5 and 6 gives general solution of equation 1. So both are same. X square minus y square minus c1 equals 0. X square minus y square equals c1. Both are same. So the general solution of equation 1 is x square minus y square minus c1 equals 0 and x square minus y square into y square plus 2 by z equal or plus minus 2c2 equal 0. This is the general solution of equation 1.